Hi, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use one of the library's digital resources, Hoopla. What is Hoopla? Hoopla is a free app that you can use to check out several types of digital content, including eBooks, e-audiobooks, TV shows, movies, and more. Hoopla is a great resource for e-comics and music as well. Borrowing an item on Hoopla is slightly different than borrowing a physical item from the library. There is no limit to the number of patrons that may borrow the same item. This makes Hoopla a great option for checking out popular items or for book clubs and groups. In Hoopla, each patron is given 25 borrowing credits per month, and they automatically reset at the beginning of each month. Usually, videos from Hoopla will be checked out to you for 3 days, music albums are checked out to you for 7 days, and ebooks, e-audiobooks, and e-comics are checked out to you for 21 days. Items are automatically returned on their due date, and you can choose to return an item early, but this will not impact your borrowing credit total. 24 hours before an item is due, you'll be given the option to renew it. This extends the loan period and uses a borrowing credit for that month. How do I download it? Search for Hoopla in the App Store, select Hoopla Digital, and tap Download. How do I log in? When you open the Hoopla app, you will see a login screen asking for an email and password. If you already have a Hoopla account, you can go ahead and enter your info. Your email and password will be the same for both the Hoopla app and the Hoopla website. If this is your first time using Hoopla, click on Don't Have an Account? Sign up to create your free account. Enter and confirm your email address and desired password. Click Next. On the Choose Your Library page, search for and select Skokie Public Library. Click Agree. Now, enter your library card number. You can find your account number on the back of your library card under the barcode. How do I find and check things out? When you log in, you will see 5 options on the bottom of the screen: My Hoopla, Video, Music, Books, and Search. To browse the collection, choose Video, Music, or Books. At the top of the screen, you will see the options to toggle between subcategories. You will see popular, recommended, and featured titles. You can click genres or filter to filter by genre, release date, date added, user rating, and language. To search for a specific title, author, or series, click Search on the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you can enter your search term or select Advanced Search in the upper right for more detailed search options.
If you are using an Android device, the setup is very similar. Only the search button is in the upper right-hand corner, along with its filters, and you are able to search for different types of items by pressing any of the icons in the upper middle of the screen.
Once you have found a title you would like to borrow, click on it. You will see additional details about the title, including the rating, length, and description. Beneath the title and cover image, you will see options to favorite, borrow, or share the title. Below this, you will see the user rating and the loan period for the item. When you click Borrow, a pop-up will list the loan period and ask you to confirm whether you want to borrow or cancel. Click Borrow to finalize the borrowing of the item.
How do I access items I've checked out in Hoopla? The default home screen for Hoopla is known as My Hoopla. You will see options to toggle between borrowed and favorites. When borrowed is selected, you will see how many borrowing credits you have remaining and all of the items you currently have checked out. Each item listing will show the due date, the cover image, the title and author, and a play icon to start reading or start listening to the item. Click anywhere to the right of the cover image to be taken to a page with additional details. This is identical to the page you saw when you checked out the item, except the borrow option is replaced with either read or play. To favorite an item, press the heart icon next to the read or play button. The heart will then turn red and you will be able to see it in your favorites page.
How do I navigate eBooks? For ebooks and e-comics, you can swipe left to move forwards in the book and swipe right to move backwards. If you tap the screen, you'll see 4 icons in the upper right-hand corner. The magnifying glass icon allows you to search for words within the book. The hamburger menu icon allows you to find chapters, bookmarks, and highlights. You can highlight a word or phrase by long pressing a word and selecting the highlight. You'll even get the option to choose the color of your highlighter. The double A icon, AA, allows you to adjust screen brightness, font, text size, and other aspects to give you an easier and more enjoyable reading experience. The icon in the far upper right will allow you to bookmark your page. How do I navigate e-audiobooks? When listening to an e-audiobook, you will see the cover of the book on your screen. Just below that picture, there's a hamburger menu that allows you to add a bookmark, view your bookmarks, change the play speed of your audiobook, or set a sleep timer so that Hoopla will automatically stop reading aloud after a certain amount of time. Below the menu, there is a bar that shows you the amount of time you have read at the far left and the amount of time you have remaining at the far right. Below the bar, there is a start-stop button and 2 icons that will allow you to rewind or jump forward. How can I filter content? On the upper left corner, you can click the word Kids to enter Kids mode. A check mark will appear, indicating that Kids mode is on. When this mode is selected, only content that has been deemed family-friendly by Hoopla will be shown. This mode is designed for kids up to age 12 and includes content rated G and PG. When you browse in this mode, a blue banner near the top of the screen will remind you that you are in Kids mode. You can toggle Kids mode off by clicking the word Kids on the My Hoopla tab. You can also turn Kids mode on and off from the settings page. Click the gear on the upper right of the My Hoopla page to open the settings menu. Note that when you log out, Kids mode is automatically turned off when you log back in. When Kids mode is turned off, you can use the filter options to select Children's Titles Only. This filters only that page rather than the entire app.
If you are using an Android device, the Kids Mode icon will be located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you select it, the checkmark will appear. To deselect Kids Mode, you could press the Kids icon again, or click the 3 dots icon in the upper right-hand corner, press Settings, and from there you can turn off Kids Mode as well. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using Hoopla with your Skokie Public Library card.